Hi, my name is Azalea, and I'm a female terrier mix. I'm 9 months old, and I'm looking for a terrific home. I was rescued from Moreno Valley Animal Shelter a few months ago. I've been fixed, I've been vetted, I'm up to date on all of my shots, and I can't wait to find my new home. Don't let my looks fool you. Even though I look like a pit bull, I'm actually a terrier mix. I'm very small, I weigh 30 pounds, and I don't think I'm going to get any bigger. I'm very submissive and shy, so I get along really well with other dogs. I get along great with kids, and I've been raised around a kid at my foster's. Now, I'm looking for my forever family. If you're interested in adopting me, please call my foster mom. Thank you.